Hello guys, in this video we are going to check out the Monday application. So for installation, search out Monday and make sure you are on the level of marketplace. So click on the install button. So if you want to install it on all the location, then install this app on the agency level. Otherwise, you can also install on the particular location as well. In our case, we need this app on all the locations. So I'm installing it on agency. So proceed. It will take some time and then it will install. So after their success, so you will minimize it. So go to the location level and there click on this like this custom page. So after this, search here Monday. So configure it. So after this, so here you will get a form like now you need an account on Monday. So here I created the account. So click on your profile and their developers. So after this, here click on my access token and then you can show it like and you can copy, you can also regenerate it. So in our case we copy it and after this we fill in and then submit. So our credentials are saved in the database and you can use the application.